Okay, good morning everybody. How are you today? So for now, we're going to discuss about the Cartesian coordinate system. Imagine a plane without anything on it but a point. One will find it difficult to describe the location of the point on the plane. But if marked lines are drawn, the location of the point can be easily described whether it is to the left or to the right, or above or below a specific line. For instance, point N is located to the right of vertical line and above the horizontal. So take a look at the Philippines on the world map. Notice the importance of imaginary lines, namely the prime meridian and the equator. Relative to those lines, the Philippines is to the right of the prime meridian and above the equator. So the idea of describing a point on the plane was systematized by René Descartes, a 17th century French mathematician and philosopher, when he invented the system that relates the correspondence between the points on the plane to a pair of real numbers. This system is called the rectangular coordinate system, as a tribute to the greatness of Descartes' invention. Succeeding mathematicians and mathematics historians call the system the Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system uses two coplanar perpendicular number lines. The horizontal number lines is called the x-axis and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. These axes intersecting at a point called the origin form four regions or quadrants. The coordinate system establishes one-to-one correspondence between a point to the plane and an ordered pair of real numbers. That is, for every point on the plane, there corresponds an ordered pairs of real numbers, and for every ordered pairs of real numbers, there corresponds a point on the plane. Okay, class, so this is what we call as the Cartesian coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate plane. So the other called it as the rectangular coordinate system, or the other called it as XY coordinate system, since it uses the value of our X and of course our Y. So this is the X-axis, wherein the other called it as the ordinate. And this is our Y-axis, wherein this is called as the abscissa. So we have here the four quadrants. So this is the quadrant 1, wherein the points that locates are positive, positive. Quadrant 2, wherein the points that lies are negative, positive. Quadrant 3, wherein the points that lies are negative, negative. And this is the quadrant 4, wherein the points that lies are positive and negative. Okay, class. So that is how you are going to create a Cartesian coordinate plane. So remember the four quadrants and of course the x-axis and of course the y-axis. So and of course, on the following video or on the next video, we are going to discuss on how you are going to name and of course plot points. So if you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask your teachers. Thank you and God bless.